Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm gonna show you my brand new pickup. It's a phone mount for the BMW F30. So I've been trying to find a good quality mount to put my cell phone on with a magnet. I seen the one that goes behind the trim, and it screws in, which is pretty sturdy, but I wanted something different. I didn't want it to be in that position, so I picked up this one. So let's open this up. Yeah, I'm opening this up right in front of you guys. This is the first time I'm opening this, so let's take a look what you get in the box. So far it looks nicely packaged. Let's take this plastic off. So what you get in the box is the actual mount. This is nice. It's this part is metal. It's got a lot of weight and heft to it. And what are these? Okay, so these are the magnets, I think. Yep, these are the magnets you put on the back of your phone. So you have a M badge, and you have this AC badge. And this mount is from V-Carbon. So let me put it inside the car real quick, and I'll show you guys a photo of it. I mean a video of it. So hold tight, I'm gonna install it right now. So check this out, guys. I think this is one of the best F30 cell phone mounts you could buy, one of the magnet ones. It matches the color almost perfectly. And it comes in, I think, 3 colors. I think it comes in blue. So if you have the M Sport package on your F30, we'll match that. You have this red one, and I think you have a silver one. So we'll match whatever trim you have. But it's really sturdy. It's not moving at all. So how it mounts, there's these little, say, bolts or screws and on each side of it, on each of the 4 corners. And what you do is just you use the provided Allen key to screw it in, basically, and that's it. At first, when I bought this, I thought it was it just mounted with like 3M tape or anything or something in the back, which obviously that could be not that secure depending on the surface, how flat the surface was. But no, this mounts perfectly. I'm tugging on it and it moves the whole dashboard. So let me put my cell phone here. So you put the provided magnet on the back.
Laser alert.
Sorry about that. I think the police was passing my house. But yeah, you see, you put this provided piece of metal on the back of your phone. It just attaches with 3M tape. I secured it to my clear case over here. And then it just magnets on. But yeah, I think this is an awesome product. I'll make sure to leave you guys a link in the back, in the bottom description. Sorry about that. So I put mine this high because I still want it to wirelessly charge. So I usually put these magnets, kind of high up, so I can still wirelessly charge. But I have this mount. But yeah, awesome product. Be sure to leave me a like if you guys like this product, and subscribe to my page for more car videos, music videos, guitar reviews. You guys will see what's on my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks.